Hello friends, this is it. It's the final day. We're going to put all the printed papers that we have done, our snippets, our flaps. We are going to put it all together into our art journal. Are you ready? I am. All right, for this you're going to pick out your snippet of choice, your flap that you have made, and your printed paper or tissue tissue. You will need some glue. You can use Mod Podge, you can use a glue stick, or you can use the art glitter glue. I also like to add watercolors. I have some of my Art to Basic watercolors, and I like to prep my journal page with white acrylic paint, and then I like to add watercolor over that because it gives it a really fun texture. A pair of scissors and you're all set. So let's begin. I'm going to decide where I want my flap. You can put it on top, you can put it in the bottom. I like it in the middle, and I like it more toward the edge of the page. Now I like to put my snippet material back behind it, and I'm not going to use all of it. And I really like this green piece, so what I'm going to do is cut it here and flip it so that that actually hangs over the page. And then I'll put on this little bit down here. So I'm going to cut it right about here, and it will go under. Okay, so that leaves white space. I also really like this tissue and how that came out, so I do think I will incorporate just a little bit of that, maybe right here. All right, so to begin, I'm going to take these two pieces and glue them on. Put this one right here. I'm going to recheck where I'm putting it. Yep. That one's about down to the bottom of the page. I really hope you've enjoyed this series. I've had a great time going through all the steps with you. And there are so many more things we can do with these fun elements. All right, so I'm going to glue this one on here. And then I'll take my flap. Remember, the side that we did not cover is going to go on the bottom. I'll press that down a little bit. And then I'm thinking, I really like this green. So I'm going to add a little bit more glue right here. There we go. I have this really pretty green that I'm going to try. And I'm going to add it to the paint. Let me zoom in here. It doesn't particularly adhere. It will puddle. So it's not like a toothy grab like watercolor paper, but that is what I like about it. And then when you go on the edge where there is no paint, you get a different texture as well. I'm going to add in some of the sagey green. Let's see, this is the sage green I'm adding. Just to deepen that up a little bit. Well, that's not helpful if you can't see the bottom of the page, is it? Wow, way to go. And little splatters. A little bit more of this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that one. I'm going to bring it up here. And let's see if I can show you up top. Up top and personal, close and personal. Yep. That's what I like. All right, I also have just this little bit of an edge that I'm going to add that sage green. Here is the sage. Yep. All right, let me zoom back. Here it is, all finished. And my friends, this is it. This is your next page. I really like how it turned out. I love the whole process of it. I love that we have so much more play material. We have so much material to work with in this journal. It's going to be a blast. So with that, make sure you like and follow and subscribe so that you will get notices of when the next video series comes up. All right, my friends, that's it. Have fun. Put all your stuff together. I can't wait to see how it turns out.